Welcome back, everyone. I know I've been gone for a while, but, sickness. Anyway, I'm back and I'm going to 3 new states. I'm going to go to Kentucky, then I'm going to go to Indiana, then I'm going to go to Ohio. I'm also going to go to the Creation Museum, and I'm going to go to the Ark, and I'm going to have fun. Let's go. Oh, I should probably turn off the video. Alright, we made it to Seattle, and now we have a 4-hour flight to Cincinnati. Alright, quick update, we're on the plane, but we're delayed 30 minutes because of severe weather and tornado watches and stuff. So instead of leaving at 10:30, we'll leave at 11, but still we'll get there probably around the same time. Alright, we're on the plane and we have like an hour left or so, but soon it's going to start getting bumpy because of those thunderstorms, so we'll see what happens. I'll see you on the ground in Cincinnati. Alright, we made it to Kentucky, and as you saw, I stepped in. The Cincinnati airport is actually in Kentucky, not in Ohio, and our Airbnb is also in Kentucky. But stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to go to Indiana and Ohio, and then in the next video I'll be visiting the Creation Museum and the Ark. So don't leave this video yet. Also, really quickly, just want to share a little story about how we got here. So we were driving along and we had 2 minutes left until we got to the Airbnb, and then we drove on this road and there was literally a river rushing across it because they've gotten a ton of rain. We were like, okay, we can't go through that because it's like a foot deep and it's rushing really fast. So we decided to go somewhere else and try that, and we kept driving down the road, and then of course it was blocked by a river too. So instead of being like 20 minutes from the airport, it was like a 45-minute drive. So a lot longer than expected. Alright, 3 days after we have landed in Kentucky, we're now headed to Indiana and Ohio. In this time that we've been here, we've been to the Creation Museum and also the Ark, which you should really subscribe if you want to see it in the next video. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to Ohio and Indiana today.